Hey, tech wizards! Are you ready to unleash the full potential of your PC or laptop? If slow load times make you want to pull your hair out, fear not. Today, I'm bringing you two mind-blowing tricks that will have your computer zipping through tasks like a superhero. Here's the plan. We're diving headfirst into your computer settings, so grab your keyboard and hit those magic keys. Windows plus R. Boom! A little box pops up. This is your gateway to speed. Type misconfig in that box and press enter. You're now on the fast track to the system configuration page. Next, sprint over to that boot tab and click on advanced options. Now, for the grand reveal, check the box next to number of processors and max it out like you're cranking the volume on your favorite jam. Mine's set to 12, but yours might be different, so adjust accordingly. And don't forget to hit that restart button. Watch out for the speed boost. But wait, there's more. We're not finished yet. It's time to power up the registry editor. Press Windows plus R once again, type regedit, and hit enter. Feel the thrill? You're entering the command center of your computer. Now, let's get down to business. Navigate to Computer, key, Current User, Control Panel Desktop. Can you see Menu Show Delay in the right pane? Double-click that bad boy. You'll find it set to 400 milliseconds. Let's crank that down to a spectacular 0. Boom! Instant speed. Restart your computer one last time, and voila. Get ready to experience a jaw-dropping performance upgrade that will leave you wondering how you ever lived without it. If you loved these tricks and want to keep your tech game strong, smash that subscribe button and join the Tricks Central family for more fiery tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those tech skills blazing.